Hello and welcome to yet another video of Gizbot. This is Karan Sharma and today I have Infinix Hot 7 in my hand to unbox this device and see what's there inside the box and experience how the smartphone performs. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the packaging of Infinix Hot 7, which says it comes with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM, and it also comes with the AI quad camera. And the back side we can see that it says that it comes with the AI quad camera, 16.9 HD notch display, 4000 mAh battery and MTech P25 octa-core processor. It also comes with the face unlock detection and fingerprint scanner. On top of that, it comes with XOS 5.0 Android 9 Pie and the Made in India branding. So this smartphone comes with a price of 7,999. So let's unbox it. So the very first thing you get in the box is the Infinix Hot 7. We'll keep it aside and see what's under the box. So you get a charging adapter, a micro USB cable for charging, a SIM ejector tool, some user manuals, a hard case and a screen protector. So let's boot up the device and see how this smartphone performs. Meanwhile, let's talk about the design of the smartphone. So here you can see it comes with a dual camera along with an LED flash, a fingerprint scanner, Infinix branding. On the right you have the volume rocker keys, power key, and on the top the design is very clean. And down there it comes with a speaker grill, micro USB port and 3.5mm jack. Apart from that, on the left you have SIM tray. So let's get started. So the phone is finally booted up, and let's go to the setting menu and see what are there inside the phone. So it comes with a 4GB of RAM, 64GB of ROM, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel of rear camera, and same goes to the front. And it comes with a 2.36 GHz of processor, 4000 mAh battery, and the screen resolution is 720 into 1500. It runs on Android Pie on top of Cheetah version 5.0. So let's check the camera quality and see how the camera performs. So right now I'm shooting in AI camera mode. And you can see the camera quality is really good, the edges are clean and the saturation and contrast is also good. Let's check some other mode. Let's check the bokeh mode. So this is the bokeh mode and it looks good, and I think it will look more better if we will shoot in perfect lighting. And we also have AR shots, so you can put some AR shots in the front camera. Apart from that, the camera application also gives you beauty mode, AI mode and video recording. So let's check the front camera, how it performs. So this is the performance of front camera, and I must say that the edges are really good and the saturation is also very balanced, and I don't feel like that the image is pixelating. So the front camera AI mode performs good. Let's try some other mode. So let's try in beauty mode. This is the performance of beauty mode of this camera in front. And let's try the portrait mode. So here you can see the portrait mode, but the edges has to be a little bit clear and sharp, but on this price range I think this is a good performance. And on AR shots you can put some crazy stuffs on the camera. If you have a lot of time, then you can use this stuff to have some fun. So that's all for camera. Let's see what we get in the notification panel. So in notification panel we have flashlights, location, auto rotation, screenshot, battery lab, and on the left you have hotspot, data saver, bike mode, silent screen recorder, do not disturb, game booster and lot more. So while swiping from right to left, you get a tool and beeline where you can actually put your favorites apps which you are using very often, and in one touch you will get to the application. And while swiping from left to right, you have the recent app menu, weather forecast and a lot of things over here. You have clock, world clock, Ola location and all. So I have also enrolled my face with the face detection. So let's check that thing and see how fast it can unlock the smartphone. Okay. First was a little slow, but second time it works really good. Third time it's also good. Okay, on the first try it was not that fast, but from second time and third time it started learning the face, and then it started working very quickly. So The face detection is really impressive for me on this smartphone on this price range. So I have also enrolled my fingerprint on this smartphone, so let's check that also. So let's check the fingerprint scanner. So the response of fingerprint scanner is also very good and it didn't disappointed me. So that's all for software, hardware and security part of the smartphone. So this was the first impression and unboxing video of Infinix Hot 7, and I must say that this smartphone impressed me a lot, but wait for it because I'm gonna use this phone for a while and get back to you with a comprehensive review. Till then, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from Gizbot. This is Karan Sharma signing off.